Hello everyone, my name is Jackie Quatch and I'll be doing my research presentation today. So let's begin. In year 2017, it was estimated that 67% of Australians aged over 18 were now overweight, making Australia one of the most obese countries in the world. Healthy eating has many benefits, such as promoting better sleep, reducing inflammation, and reducing the risk of developing cardiovascular diseases, to name a few. While a large body of research exists on how emotions influence eating behaviors, the challenge is understanding specifically how incidental positive emotions motivate our food choices, from healthy to unhealthy. Incidental positive emotions can be referred to as emotions that we carry with us into making a decision that have no relevance with the decision. For example, petting a dog can make one feel happy, which can influence the judgment of a decision shortly after. The current study attempts to research a topic seldom investigated to further our understanding of incidental positive emotions and its relationship with dietary decisions. Positive and negative emotions have been shown to have an extensive impact on eating behavior. Cardi and colleagues found intense emotions can induce emotional eating, where overeating or binge eating can occur. This is in line with other studies that demonstrate positive emotions to slightly increase food consumption. This was observed across cultures, with food being used in celebration on special occasions such as birthdays or weddings. Moreover, the types of food people consume have also been correlated with positive emotion. Ashurst and colleagues found that participants experiencing frequent positive emotions was associated with increased consumption of meat and protein heavy foods and sweet food. Participants with experienced positive emotions were also less likely to consume fast food such as pizza and McDonald's. Okay. In summary, with what little research is available, the studies have mainly focused on the volume of food being eaten following a positive emotional experience, as opposed to specifically the types of food eaten. Moreover, the types of positive emotion featured in previous studies may not have been specifically incidental positive emotions, but a combination of positive mood or positive integral emotion. Thus, the purpose of the research and the study is, does incidental positive emotions affect the quality of our dietary decisions? Study and methodology. Based on previous studies, an estimated sample size of 150 participants should be used for the study and will exclude participants with eating disorders, vegetarians, and restrained eaters. Participants will also be asked if they have recently eaten a small meal or do they feel satiated or not, as these factors will also influence the results. The study will be using a selection of images from the Nenki Affective Picture System, NAPS, which have been shown to evoke discrete emotions. A total of 20 NAPS images will be selected for the research. 10 will discretely evoke positive emotions, and another 10 images will evoke discretely neutral emotions. 10 images that encompass healthy foods will also be selected, and 10 images that encompass unhealthy foods, such as fast food, will also be selected from the FoodPix Extended database. The study will consist of 20 trials. In each trial, participants will be randomly introduced to a NAPS image that either evoke a discrete positive emotion or a discrete neutral emotion. Participants will then be introduced to a randomized image of either healthy foods or tasty fatty foods. Participants are then required to input if they want to eat the food displayed in the form of a 7-point Likert scale from 1 to 7, with 1 being strongly don't want to eat the food displayed and 7 being strongly wanting to eat the food displayed. The NAPS images will be displayed on screen for 6 seconds, immediately followed by the food for another 6 seconds. This is a little chart showing what their images might look like. So you've got a 6-second exposure here for the NAPS images, followed by the food, and then the 7-point Likert scale. Data from this study can help create interventions that can educate individuals to be aware of their emotions before making dietary decisions. Moreover, the current study can help provide further research into the field of psychology and eating behavior and spread awareness about eating healthy and the factors that influence our food choice. Thank you very much. That was my presentation, and these are the references here. Thanks, guys.